All right, so coming back again, was asked to do a video on my burping technique, and it's pretty simple, I think. The first one, I just keep him on my lap with a burp cloth, kind of lean him forward, support the head, and then just gently pat him on the back. And it could take 1 minute, it can take 10 minutes, but I just go until he gives me a little burp. The other one I like to do, sometimes he likes it, sometimes he doesn't. Same kind of thing, just on the shoulder. So I'll put burp cloth on the shoulder. Oh, I felt a little burp there. And him like this. Oh, yep. And then just a burp. And this is pretty much it. Eventually he will give us a burp, and then he will hopefully sleep a lot better and not spit up all over everyone. That's my burping technique.